Okay, this is a brief walkthrough of my Xpress H20 bay for sale. This is the back. We have a Yamaha VMAX SHO, 150 horsepower. This does have the PowerTech 23 pitch prop on it. Have a 6-inch manual jack plate. And we also have a swim ladder back here. And then other than that, at the back, we do have fuel tank, fresh battery, and some Yamaha lube available. Walk to the front. So underneath this bench seat here, you're going to see a live well. Then you have these two fold down seats here. Could be up or down. There is storage underneath them, partially dry storage. Then we have your bench seat. Seat pedestal does fold down. Center console with 3 rod holders on each side. It does have the walt bar between the front and the back. 1 rod holder in the front on the left side. Then we have the bait well here in the center. This does have a light on it. You also know there's a light on the side of this console, one on each side. Then you come to the front. We do have a pedestal, bass fishing type seat up front. Another storage box, which again lifts up. Underneath this, we have more storage. This entire front deck is actually open storage. Then we have a Minn Kota Tarova 80 pound thrust, 24 volt trolling motor. This does have its own transducer on the front. Let's see. Yes, it does have its own transducer on the front, which feeds this Helix 7 with down imaging on the front side, which is networked to the Helix 7 with side imaging and down imaging at the console here.